Stop putting harsh chemicals and synthetic dyes on your blonde or silver hair. Your brassiness fix doesn't need preservatives. It needs nature. Meet the natural hero, Powbab Wild Blueberry Powder. This isn't just a superfood. It's a pure, powerful color corrector packed with anthocyanin antioxidants. By mixing this pure powder with your favorite natural, sulfate-free shampoo, you get a preservative-free purple toner that nourishes your hair while it cools. Here's the simple recipe. Start with a separate bowl. Pump in enough of your white or clear shampoo for one single wash. Now for the Powbab. Add just a pea-sized amount of the powder to your shampoo. Remember, a little goes a long way. Mix it gently with a spoon until the mixture is a uniform purple. Apply your freshly made purple shampoo to wet hair, focusing on the brassiest areas. Leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes, then rinse. The result? Naturally cool, vibrant color. Stop compromising your hair health. Upgrade your routine with the natural toning power of Powbab Wild Blueberry Powder. Find yours using the link below. Powbab.